here now is the control box. This is where now we control every process from receiving raw materials to the finished product. Yeah? Okay, as you see here, these are now our silos. So when you receive the raw materials, the barley, it comes here, and then you take it now to our silos. Yeah? From here now, we do what we call normally malt outtake. If you want to brew a brew, you set it at an amount that you want. You take it from here to the silo, you do what we call screening, you remove particles, stones, dust, until you take it now to what we call the malt hopper. Here you have your clean malt ready now for what we call milling and the process of mashing in. So from here you start now the mill start. You mill, you crush, it passes through the rollers here. At the same time, we normally do what we call wet milling. Then you take it now to what we call the wort kettle. Yeah? This is another tank. Now for boiling. You boil it for around 55 to 1 hour. Yeah? Vigorous boiling at a pressure boil. Yeah? But here now you sterilize your wort. Yeah?
It goes to 100 degrees.
100 degrees.
The normal boiling is 90, 92.
It's 100 degrees for 5 bars
Yes,
per time.
yeah, whatever. But this one is 100.
At the same time, there's the addition of what we call hops. Hops is what now you give your beer that bitterness, and the color and the aroma. Yeah. So after here, you take it to what we call the wine pool. Yeah. Here you now separate the particles. They will be unfermented, unconverted starch, maybe proteins. You separate them here. You take it to what you call the trap tank, but you remain with your wort here. Now it's ready to cool. You take it now to fermentation. But before fermentation, you have to bring it to around 12 degrees cooling. Yeah?
At what stage will you be in a position to identify whether this is summit or
from the beginning? From the beginning.
Yes.
Because the amount of malt you take and the recipe is different from KB and Maman. Yes. So from the beginning when you start, you know this is summit lager or KB.
Can you tell them the rules?
4 days.
100% sugar free.
Yes. It's because of that Mheshimiwa, because we say that because you know when we have taken on malted barley, we are not adding anything. Other people what they do so that they can go to do quick conversion, they use sugar. So when you add this, the beer can go to ferment within 3 days. The problem that when you take it, you'll have hangovers because it has not taken to advantage. You don't have ether only, you have an alcohol. So this makes it very different. And then also as you have seen, there's nowhere where we have our provision of adding cornstarch, all those other things we don't get them from here. So our beer is naturally brewed. When we say so, it's because I'm taking at least 21 days. There's a filtered and filtered beer which I was about to show you. That unfiltered beer is ready, but only we have not filtered it. So the whole process, as he said, so the unique part about the system is this. If number Tankwana Summit Lager, you can never, this is a closed loop, you can never add another brand there. It will be able, it normally disables everything else until the beer is set after 21 days. I filter it, then I can go to put something else there. Even cleaning from here, nobody goes to the tanks, I'll show you. And then by doing for our tank here, one is carrying 210,000 liters of beer.
Or that Tanzania, Uganda are doing better in the saving. How do we work on our saving? Is to ensure we have more industries, local manufacturers that can put bank money in our banks. Because when it comes to the multinationals, the ones we are celebrating, their money by tomorrow midday is wired to their mother country. But to yours and mine, it's in the Equity Bank, our upside here in Kenya, it goes nowhere. So when we have many manufacturers, that's what Americans have done, the Europeans have done, to ensure that they grow their economy by having more manufacturers that belong to that country. But not people who come and manufacture, but they wire their money back to their mother country. Yes, simple, clear. You don't have to go to Harvard Business School to understand that, how to grow your economy.
Thank you.
That stage.
Thank you. So the next time we go to the next step here is
So this yeast, this is what you use to ferment.
fermentation.
To ferment now the beer.
So it is 1, 2,
But this is a mixture of sorghum and barley.
Yeah,
Yes.
this one. Kenyan X.
KB is a mixture of this
Barley
and
on
this.
This is barley.
This is barley only.
Yes,
Barley.
the two. Barley and
And we continue looking, what else, even rice for moya. You can add variation or whatever. Variation.
yeah.
You can do it in the beer sector. Isn't it?
Yeah.
What else can you do?
Can you actually even wheat, the one that you use
Even
to
wheat.
yeah, you can easily follow the recipe. You can easily have a beer from wheat. But now if you, the issue you have to have a bigger capacity.
And
What
the
you are
one,
looking-
yeah.
what
And
you
I
are
wanted to explain to you, 113 grams
Yes.
can make a liter of beer. 1 liter of beer, KNI will get 142 Kenya shillings. We will sell the beer at 200 and what, 1 liter, 500 shillings per liter. So there is no anywhere away you can add value addition to the malted value.
Yes.
We have a billion.
Yeah, she inside you.
Have a
Remember,
billion.
she said that this even like 15 million. That one, anytime you are seeing any family school, you have to take the measure. If it's there, you can never do anything.
So what is the total investment?
For the canal.
Everything.
Everything.
Yes.
It's for 10 billion.
10 billion.
I love this 600, 608.
Na mtu anataka kufunga. Mtu anataka kufunga.
Ashindwe katika jina la Yesu. Ashindwe.
And you're not an engineer or a brewer. Lakini umefikiria from Murang'a, umekuja ama Kiambu. You should be encouraged. In the whole world, such entrepreneurs are so much encouraged to ensure they can grow the economy of the country. How America was grown, how Europe was grown, is none other by supporting the local entrepreneurs. Okay, Mwesh.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
So from here, I just want to show you where we are. This is a packaging. So I'll show for this super heated, if you take it to the tank in a collapse. So we have to cool. So we do at this tank which is here. This one here. And everything done from the control room. I can open for you. So this is where we normally for me is where we pull in.
And you
from
put the, and you put the,
yeah.
and you put the hops.
Ops is there, we finish. Now here we are pulling to take the fermenters now. Yeah. Now I can show you our fermenters.
And this one you can do 30,000 liters per brew.
Yes, and we are
And you
doing
can
10.
10.
So that we can do it.
Can make it
taking 210,000 liters. And there are 10 of them. 2.1 million per time. Yes, and also we have another 15 asset there. We have 2 on the other side. So we have 15. So all these are beers which are ready.
Iko sawa, nitaweka.
This one is the one that amazes me.
Yeah, the filtration. So what happens here, when the beer and food are sold, you can, it's able to do per hour, we do 25,000 liters per hour. Filtration very fast. So what happens, you bring the unfiltered beer, when it comes out, you have to go to package. Very fast.
And one time you use 4 hours.
Yes. This is why now the store is also showing where we manage this. And then when you have done filtration, you bring the beer here, temporarily you put it.
And they have an office under here. Also, when you look at what is in a bottle, 70% goes to the Kenyan family. So why would you just support they just you only get that percent? Nati, you're not naye no. Yeah.